अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
Exercise 177. For the first time in the history of the company, said the speaker, we have to report an adverse balance, full stop. In the first instance, we have had a serious strike at the works, but you will be glad to know that all disputes have been amicably settled, full stop. In the next place, we have had some very heavy law expenses with reference to our existing patents, and with reference to which a statement appears in the report, full stop. In the last place, our annual turnover has not been up to expectations, though, by the way, it slightly exceeds the figures of last year, full stop. You will be glad to hear that our new manager has introduced several excellent reforms which will bear fruit in the near future, full stop, new paragraph. It would be out of place for me in the short space of time at my disposal to try to go fully into the details of the accounts, full stop. Moreover, we expect to receive, very shortly, a further report from the auditors, full stop. Having regard to the present state of affairs, and in consequence of certain criticisms, we think it best, under the circumstances, to have an independent investigation, and the auditors have been asked to give a frank expression of opinion in reference to the affairs of the company, full stop. The position is a difficult one, full stop. On the one hand, we are told that as a matter of course, the business ought to be prosperous, comma, yet as a matter of fact, comma, the contrary is the case, full stop. What is the matter? We hope to hear from the auditors, comma, who are looking into the matter, comma, and who are expected to report in a few days, full stop.